I think FDA is doing its job. It's the regulator for the health and safety of US people. And it is their job to make sure that the US population gets quality medicine which are safe and efficacious. In the process, they have certain expectations. And if Indian companies have to do business in US, you have to meet their expectation. So what FDA is doing may be kind of a pain point for somebody, but I believe that's something which is happening for the good of industry in long term. What FDA is doing is not only basically teaching you something new, but also helping you to actually move in the ladder of the quality.
Right.
And the FDA's expectations are reasonable in my opinion. The challenge is that people have to learn quickly to meet those expectations.
You think Indian pharma companies are geared to do that? Because, until 18 months ago, they didn't have so many issues, quote unquote, with the FDA. Then there was a crop of bans that came in. Do you think the learning curve will be smooth and quick enough for the Indian companies? What's about Cadilla's experience as well?
So my personal view is that though it is challenging, it's not something which Indian companies cannot do it, but it requires a lot of commitment on part of everybody, management, people working in the organization.
Sure.
It's both an issue of a cultural issue and also it is an issue regarding competency. And I think this can be built through a sustainable effort. And I'm sure a lot of Indian companies who have long-term vision on the US market are doing the right step towards that.
Okay. What about business at large for the industry, for Cadila as well? I mean, what are your thoughts on how Indian pharma is progressing and the markets that are opening up currently?
So basically, Indian pharma has opportunities within India. The market is going to continue growing at around 14%, and that market would be available for Indian companies to really make going forward also to gain market shares. Also internationally, if you look at it, US of course offers the largest opportunity. I think overall total pharma can grow around 20% on the US market for sure. Also there is opportunity in the whole emerging market piece. Though there could be some kind of a short-term aberration in some markets can happen because of the kind of global economical change. But the point is the quality of Indian pharmaceutical product, the prices at which it is offered, the services which Indian pharma industry is able to offer, I don't think any other country can match.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.